Hi everyone, I'm Yogesh Mishra. I'm a senior software engineer. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 public APIs that can give your application surprisingly useful data functionality. Some of these are highly practical for production, and a few are just fun. Let's get started. Number one is a phone specifications API. Instead of scraping websites or maintaining a huge database of smartphone hardware specs yourself, you can just query this API on Rapid API. Um, you pass in a phone model like the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and it returns structured JSON with the display, processor, memory, and camera details. You just map that response straight into your UI. Now, number two is the QR code API from goqr.me. You do not need any complex JavaScript libraries for this. Just give it text or a URL directly inside of an image source tag, and the API renders a PNG instantly. It's completely free, requires no auth, and is perfect for event tickets, sharing links, or login flows. Number three is much more interesting, the Piston Remote Code Execution API. You send it raw source code and specify a programming language. The API securely executes your code in an isolated container and returns the console output. That this is exactly what you need if you are building a coding platform, an online judge, or an interactive education app. Number four is a website screenshot API. You provide a URL and the service spins up a headless browser, loads the website, and returns a high quality screenshot automatically. Imagine using this for website previews, visual uptime monitoring, or generating automated PDF reports. A single API call replaces a massive amount of browser automation code. Number 5 is the IP geolocation from ipapi.co. Calling this endpoint without any parameters automatically detects the client's IP address. It returns approximate geographic and network info like their city, region, and ISP. It's incredibly useful for localization, analytics, and security signals. Just remember, it gives an approximate location, not precise GPS. Number 6 is probably the most unnecessary but also the most fun to demonstrate, random dog and cat APIs. Why would you use this? They are perfect for testing UI components, building infinite scrolling demos, or just populating placeholder images with fun content instead of boring gray boxes. Call the endpoint and you get a brand new pet image every time. Number 7 is Open Meteo, a weather forecasting API. You pass in the latitude and longitude, and it gives you real time weather conditions and hourly forecasts. And the best part, it doesn't even require an API key to get started. It's a fantastic API for beginners because the results are immediately visible in your app. Number 8 is the Frankfurter Currency and Foreign Exchange API. This is essential for e-commerce and finance apps. You can fetch real-time exchange rates published by the European Central Bank instantly. Just pass in your base currency and your target currency, and you can calculate converted prices on the fly. Number 9 is a Bhagavad Gita API. Instead of manually typing or hard coding chapters and verses into a database, developers can retrieve structured religious texts programmatically. This API makes it incredibly easy to build study apps, advanced search tools, or daily code features with accurate, reliable data. Number 10 is a XKCD API. XKCD exposes their comic information in standard JSON format. This means comic become programmable data. You can build your own custom comic viewer, an archive browser, or a search experience. It's a great example of how even entertainment content can be accessed programmatically. That's it for today. If you found these APIs useful for your next project, please hit the like button, share this with your fellow developers, and subscribe to the channel for more practical developer projects and API demos. I'm Yogesh Mishra. See you in the next one. Thank you.